Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log on to Pearson and use some of the cool resources there. So you're going to start at the AP2 school website, you're going to go into Student Links, Elementary Student Online Resources, you'll scroll down to Pearson, and I'm actually going to log on as one of you. This way you'll have a much better idea of what it will look like when you actually log in. I'm going to hit Pearson Realize again, and it's going to take you to this kind of home page. We're going to start at Programs. For every lesson, for every topic that we do, there's a link. You could click any one of them. Say we're in topic 13 and we were on lesson 2 today. So we can go into the lesson. You can do this at home and you can see some other videos that are available just to help you out or give you a refresher. You can also go to the Solve and Share that we did that day. But what I want to show you is the e-textbook. This will take you directly to the lesson that we did in the book, and you'll be able to see that it's exactly the same pages that we did today. So this was our Solve and Share. We have our Visual Learning Bridge and our Convince Me. We have the worksheets that we did in class today. And we also have our homework. So say you forgot your homework at school or you left it at your brother's basketball game. You can go on here, you can print this, and you have access to your homework. So having the textbook at home can be super, super helpful. I'm actually going to go out of here and I'm going to go back. Once you can go back to your home screen. You can get back, or you can just go to Pearson Realize, and it'll take you to the same home screen again. We can go into classes, and I want to show you some of the online tools. You can actually also access the textbook here, but it doesn't go right to that lesson that we did. So here's the math tools. These are super helpful for anything that we're doing. We have money, we have bar diagrams, number charts, pan balances. I actually want to show you the fraction tools. We use fraction strips all the time in class, and you actually have them here with you. So a lot of times we'll be comparing fractions, or we'll be, looking at unit fractions. We can say, okay, I know that 1/6 is larger than 1/8 because it takes up much more space. It's a much larger piece. You can actually pull 2/4 or you can pull 2/3. And we know that fractions that have smaller denominators and similar or the same numerators, the ones with the smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. So when you're done, you can when you're done, or maybe you didn't want this one, you can click on it, you can hit erase and click on it again and it'll disappear. You can also reset all, okay, and you'll get a nice clear board again. So there's tons of different math tools you can use, and they're helpful for homework or just additional practice or just to play around with. So I'm going to go back to home. I'm going to X out of here. And the last thing that I want to show you is the Game Center. And that's right here, Game Center, Grade 3 Game Center. There are tons of games that you can play, and you don't have to just play the games from our grade. You have kindergarten, second grade games if there's something you liked playing last year, grade 4, all the different games you can play. One of them that I'm going to encourage you to play is actually one of our games. If you scroll over, we have our fluency games. We have an addition and subtraction fluency game. It loads, might take a little while. But here we are. So here's our fluency games, and it's actually you may need a piece of scrap paper or something to go along with it because it's addition and subtraction within 1,000. So you can hit play, and one day it'll go.
Ready? Go.
So you'll actually have to solve this. When you get your answer, your bee will move. There are tons and tons of games that you can choose from. So have some fun. I hope this helped you learn a little bit more about Pearson Realize. Good luck.